Okay, boys and girls, today we're going to take a look at the cheapest drill from Takealot. Well, you're probably asking yourself, why would Hector even consider the cheapest drill? Bear with me, there's a logic to my madness. I bought the cheapest drill from Takealot with the intention that if it doesn't perform well as a drill, I will then use it as a screwdriver. This is only 400 rand. So I really can't complain much for something that cost only 400 rand. So I'm going to open this and have a look. Here's our product. I want you to see. Right, let's have a look inside. This is our drill. It comes with 2 batteries. It comes with a charger. It also comes with this. This is called a snake extension. And I'll show you how it works. Let's say you want to unscrew things from tight corners. You can bend it like that. See how it's like? And look here at the head. So once you have bent it like that, you can put this and maybe put a spanner or a socket like that. Look at it. So you can unscrew bolts, you can screw them on. You can also use it as a screwdriver, like that. You can screw on screws or you can remove them. It's also got a light, work light, so you can use it in dark places. So it's got a clash here. So you put it here. When you want to drill, you put it here. But when you fasten in screws, you move it from drill and put it in any of those. So they range from 1 to 24, 25. And this is the strongest one. This is the weakest one. Inside here, you got bits for wood, bits for metal, and bits for the wall. You also got screwdriver bits. This is flat and this is star and 1 extension there. So I want us to test. This is a piece of strong hard plastic. So what we're going to do, we're going to put in the drill and we're going to test this thing. We're going to make a hole here. See, I made a hole. Now I'm going to try to drill a brick. Here's our brick here. And install it like that. There you are. It is also drilling. I just don't have time to go through all that. But for the price that you pay for this thing, I think it's well worth the money. And you can use something like this for putting a frame, picture frame on the wall, or putting a watch on the wall. I just want to be clear with you. This is not something that you can use for doing construction work, because it's not something that you want to use all day long, because you'll be asking too much from it. But yeah, here you go. 400 Rand from Takealot. I think it's well worth the money, because for small work, for small projects around the yard, it's something that really can